All right, we did all right today, guys. Snowfall amounts are about what we expected. Cape Elizabeth with the highest total we could find in the state, 4.1 inches. Jetport, 3.4. Pretty well distributed between 2 and 4 inches. Of course, a lot of that happened in the morning hours during the commute, so that made it a little bit tougher, especially across southern Maine and the mid-coast. A couple of snow showers still left out there, one across York County here, a few going over Lake Winnipesaukee here in New Hampshire, but mostly these are dying out as they move towards Maine, so just an isolated snow shower left today. Temperatures fall quickly tonight, down to about 8 or 9 along the coast, about 5 or so inland, and then we'll be below 0 by a decent margin in the mountains. It could be as much as, you can see, 8 below here, Caribou and Rangeley, Berlin, New Hampshire too. Tomorrow is a bright day, but our temperatures just don't recover. Sun still feels good. It doesn't really drive temperatures that much though, so we're in the teens all day. Mountains in the single digits, and it will be really vicious as far as the wind chill goes. 20 to 25, even a little bit colder, below 0 will be the wind chill in the mountains in northern Maine, so very, very cold stuff. Tomorrow night's cold initially. A couple snow showers come in here Friday morning over down east Maine, and then we get a break through the middle of the day where it's just cloudy. Then here comes our next storm system. I'm going to switch models because I don't like the way that model's handling this. So it's essentially almost an open wave of precipitation, so not a closed off low, and that makes little wiggles north and south really, really delicate with this storm system. The models had pushed it to our south. They put it back towards us here Friday afternoon, so right around sunset, some snow, maybe a mix over southern Maine will develop. Snow will be accumulating, it looks like, by the early evening, and then this thing's out of here by Saturday morning, so it's a short period of time. But this little wiggle is such that if it moves north at all, southern Maine will get into the rain. So unlike the last couple of systems, the rain snow line is in play with this storm. We'll have to keep an eye on that. Doesn't look like a blockbuster either way. We'll open the bidding here at 1 to 3 inches pretty broadly across much of the state, back through New Hampshire. As you get farther away from the storm, a dust into 2 inches. But again, stay with us. If this storm moves farther north, you'll start to see a rain contour in here. If it goes farther south, you'll see all these go down with it. But just to put this on the map, so to speak, for Friday night and into Saturday morning, there will be some accumulating snow. Turning sunny on Saturday, temperatures in the 20s. Very cold Saturday night. It looks like we'll be, on average, 5 to 10 degrees below 0 by Sunday morning. The mountains especially will be cold, of course. The coastal locations closer to 0-ish. And then a light mix on Monday, Sunday night, Monday. That's also kind of a 1 or 2 inch deal. Not a big storm system. Quiet on Tuesday and Wednesday. So, yeah. You know, again, nothing huge here. We're still running below average, but we'll get a couple more chances. The Friday night one probably will catch the evening commute, so we'll try to nail down the timing of that a little bit more. It's been a little wonky.
Okay.
Good. It's good to share the love. The morning commute today, the evening commute Friday. Everybody gets some of it.
Right. It'd be better if it was just straight up overnight, but I think it'll be just a bit too early for that.
Okay. Keith, thank you.